Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Clean With Me in 2021. I am really excited to be sharing this motivation with you guys in today's video. So if that's what you came here for, then you are on the right video. We're gonna be tackling the cupboards, the floors, all the things, as there is ticks, spiders, and sand in my house and I'm over it. So with the warmer weather, we have been at the beach, and so that's why all this stuff is coming in here. And so I'm gonna actually go ahead and disinfect our house. Let's jump right in.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know?
So starting off, wiping my counters with my Tiber River spray. I love using this spray. It is a natural multi-surface cleaner. I think it's similar to like the Young Living Thieves cleaner, but I just like using it. I am trying to switch over to more natural products in my house, but don't get me wrong, I still love my Go Clean Co method as well as my Pine Sol. Let me know in the comments what your favorite cleaner is.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body.
Moving on to the stove, I was going ahead and giving this a good wipe, and then I realized it was really dirty in between the cracks here. So I just went ahead and took a knife with my cloth and went and got under it, and look what came out. I love using knives to kind of get in the crevices of my appliances. It is one of the biggest tips I can give you to get into those nitty-gritty cracks and corners.
Losing sleep, I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
I wanted to use some editing magic here to go ahead and clean this space, as this was kind of like a power hour. I only had about an hour to clean, and so with my house in the state that it was, honestly, I just didn't have a lot of time to get all of the different angles and stuff, so that's why I did some editing magic there. But now I'm just going ahead and cleaning my placemats using my Tiber River spray and then Pledge on my table. I am going to switch over to the Method wood cleaner once I am out of my Pledge, but for now I'm just going to use this up and get rid of it. I am also on the hunt for new placemats. Every time I go into Marshalls and HomeSense, I can't seem to find anything. So really hoping that sometime this summer when things open up, I will be able to get some new ones. Now I also wanted to go ahead and wipe our chairs, as there was fingerprints all over them from my kids. And so of course you can use a cloth, but I wanted to go ahead and actually use a multi-surface cleaner. And so again, just using my Tiber River to go ahead and clean those.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me.
So as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to clean the sand that was all over my house, so I'm just going ahead and vacuuming the whole house right now before moving on to the next task. You're also probably wondering why I still haven't got a cordless vacuum, and I honestly cannot decide on which one to get, and so I'm hoping that I will be able to make the decision soon. And I think part of it is also I don't necessarily need one right now, and so I've just been kind of holding off, waiting. And so yeah, when I do get a cordless vacuum though, I will obviously share it here, so make sure that you stay tuned for that.
broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
Oh my goodness, it feels so good to have my floor vacuumed. There was sand everywhere. So with the nice weather, we've been outside a whole lot, and whenever we go to the beach, we track so much sand in. So this summer will be super fun with the vacuuming. But now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the cabinets and the backsplash in my kitchen before moving on to the rest of the house.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
So in order to disinfect, I'm going ahead and using Pine Sol here on my cabinets, diluted with some water. And I am wiping down my cabinets as well as the backsplash and everything in between. I like to work top to bottom just to make sure that I don't miss anything, and then it's just a lot easier working again up to down and then left to right. So that's a little tip for you when you are cleaning any area in your home.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah.
So now that the kitchen is all clean, we are moving on to the bathroom, and I wanted to share this with you really quick here. I had those little glass jars I got from the dollar store, and I ended up switching some things up and putting beach glass in them as just a little bit of a decor rather than having all of the same color in the mason jar like I had before, and I think it looks so much better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give the bathroom a really quick wipe down here before moving on to our master bedroom for another quick clean.
At the door, you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you. Although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need you. I need you.
All right, everybody, now that the rest of the house is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this clean with me and it gave you lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. I do tons of cleaning and homemaking motivation here on my channel, as well as the odd home DIY project, always on a budget. So we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm weak for you. Yeah.